Hi everyone, welcome to Tech for Finance. In this short video, we are going to be comparing SMS Profit against MCMoney. So both of these mobile applications allow people to earn money online by simply receiving text messages on their mobile phone. So for the purpose of this video, I've been testing out these mobile applications for the past 2 months. So with MCMoney, during the 2 months, I was able to earn $4.10, whereas with SMS Profit, I was able to earn about almost $7. I earned $6.82. So you can see that with SMS Profit, you are going to make anywhere from $2 to $3, whereas with MCMoney, you are going to be making anywhere between $1 to $2 per month, using this mobile application. Then how does this two mobile application work? So with SMS Profit, you can see that it says no internet. So to be able to make money with SMS Profit, you always have to be online. Your phone has to be connected to the internet to be able to receive the text messages using SMS Profit. You will only be able to make money if you are online. You can see when I come over account, then I come on SMS history. You can see, let's say for yesterday, I received a lot of messages using this mobile application. But there are days where I didn't receive any text messages because I wasn't connected to the internet. So if you want to make money using SMS Profit, you have to make sure that your phone is always connected to the internet. Whereas MCMoney, it works even when you are offline. You don't have to be connected to the internet even when you're offline to be able to make money with MCMoney. All what you need to do is to register your phone number on the mobile application, then you are good to go. Then when it comes to withdrawing your money with SMS Profit, you can withdraw your money to your PayPal account or a Bitcoin address. Let me go ahead and show you. When you come over here and come and press on account, then you come and press on payment method. So if I'm to add a new payment method, you can see that we can add either PayPal or Bitcoin. So you can receive your funds direct to your PayPal account or a Bitcoin address. You just need to come and enter the address in here, then and save it. Whereas with MCMoney, it only supports PayPal. When I come and press on cash out, you can see that it says cash out to your PayPal account. The only way of withdrawing money from MCMoney, it is via PayPal. Then with MCMoney, you can be able to invite others and earn referral bonuses. So when you come over here and come and press on referral, so when you share this code with your friends and they register an account on MCMoney and earn some money, you are going to earn 26 cents for every referral you refer to MCMoney. Whereas SMS Profit, it doesn't have got any referral program. So these are the differences between SMS Profit and MCMoney. But one thing which I want to let you know is that this type of mobile applications, apps like SMS Profit, might have got access to your personal information. This video is just for information purposes. You have to make your own decision whether to download and install this mobile application on your phone. So if you have been wondering whether you can make money just to receive text messages on your phone, yes you can, but you are going to be making very little. Anywhere between $1 to $3 a month to be able to make that money just to receive text messages on your phone. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this one from me in the future, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For now, bye bye. See you in the next video.